Hello students, welcome to NIRS Education channel. Let us continue the lesson Tea from Assam. In our previous session, we came to know that Rajveer and Pranjal, they were moving towards Assam in a train. That time, Rajveer was very happy to see so much greenery. For the first time, he was seeing so much greenery in his life. Whereas Pranjal was very much interested in reading, but Rajveer was looking the beautiful scenery, and he saw there were densely wooded hills, and in front of him widely spread tea bushes. For as I could see, as far as I could see. And also he saw some doll-like figures moving in the plantations. Okay. And in the far away there was a building with smoke billowing out of tall chimneys. He observed all those things and he was very happy to see those things. Hey, a tea garden, Rajveer cried excitedly. And Rajveer cried in an excited manner, hey, a tea garden. Pranjal, who had been born and brought up on a plantation, didn't share Rajveer's excitement. But Pranjal was not excited seeing the tea garden because he was born and brought up on a tea plantation. It was not new for him. From the childhood, he had been seeing that one. That's why it was not exciting thing for him. But for Rajveer, it was very exciting. Oh, this is tea country now, he said. Assam has the largest concentration of plantations in the world. You will see enough gardens to last you lifetime. See here. Oh, this is tea country now. Now you are entering to the tea country. Assam has the largest concentration of plantations in the world. Concentration means gathering or collection or cluster. Assam has largest concentration of plantations in the world. You will see enough gardens to last you a lifetime. Yeah, throughout your life you can see those many gardens you can see in Assam. Like that, Pranjal said to Rajveer. I have been reading as much as I could about tea, Rajveer said. No one really knows who discovered tea, but there are many legends. Yeah, I have been reading as much as I could about tea. I read many things about tea. Rajveer said, no one really knows who discovered tea, but there are many legends. No one knows who discovered tea, but there are many legends. Some stories related to that. What legends? Pranjal asked him. What legends they are? Well, there is the one about Chinese emperor who always boiled water before drinking it. One day, a few leaves of twigs burning under the pot fell into water, giving it a delicious flavor. It is said they were tea leaves. See here, one legend is telling. Well, there is one legend about Chinese emperor. There was a Chinese emperor who always boiled water before drinking it. One day, a few leaves of the twigs burning under the pot. Okay, he brought some twigs. Those twigs contain some leaves. By chance, some leaves fell in the pot, fell into the pot. Okay, water giving a delicious flavor. After that, when that emperor drank that boiled water, that was giving delicious flavor. Flavor means taste. Okay, that was giving delicious flavor. That is said, sorry, it is said they were tea leaves. Actually, those leaves were tea leaves. Then onwards, every day they started to use those leaves before boiling water. Okay. Like this, using the tea leaves came to practice. Then, tell me another scoped pranjal. Okay. Then, tell me another one. Scoped pranjal. Scoped means you see here, mock or make fun of or tease in a teasing manner. With a laugh, he asked, "Oh, tell me another one." Like that, he asked, Pranjal asked to Rajveer. We have an Indian legend too. There is one Indian legend related to tea. Bodhidharma, an Indian Buddhist ascetic, cut off his eyelids before he because he felt sleepy during meditations. Okay, Bodhidharma, an ancient Buddhist ascetic. Ascetic means a monk or one who left all the physical pleasure in order to achieve something great. Okay. Yeah, he cut off his eyelids. One day he cut off his eyelids because he felt sleepy during meditations. While he was doing meditations, he felt sleepy. Because of that, he cut off his eyelids. 10 tea plants grew out of the eyelids. 10 tea plants grew out of the eyelids. The leaves of these plants, when put in hot water and drunk, banished sleep. And when they use those leaves in the hot water and drunk, that water banished their sleep. They were not getting sleep while doing meditation. Like this, another legend is there related to tea. Who started to drink tea for the first time? Related to that, these are the two legends. One is Chinese emperor legend, another one is Bodhidharma, Indian ascetics legend. Like this, two legends we have seen. Okay, let us stop here. We shall continue in the next session. Thank you for watching.